The mental stigma, mental health stigma needs to be broken. So what are we going to do about it? As leaders, we can open the door to start normalizing that it's okay if people are having struggles. It's okay if they have challenges. We need to make sure that they can talk about it, that they can address and they can speak up on it, and that they don't have to feel the fear of being ridiculed. One of the things that so often happens is people keep quiet because they are scared that they're going to be seen as weak. They are scared that the opportunities that might, for career opportunities that might come their way, that they will be overlooked. We need to realize that we are human. A person is more than their mental health challenges. We need to find a way to build productivity in supporting our people so that we can actually grow and flourish together.